I'm not sure whether you guys are getting this stream or not. Can somebody write something in the chat and let me know? Uh, hmm. Hey, but yeah, I'm not sure where everyone else is, but this is the play I was thinking about for tomorrow. Look at Mara, right? So I got into somebody did recommend this play, and it seems like it's a good trade. I got into 48 put, although I'm I think maybe $20 down on this one, but it might be a good time to get into it tomorrow. We can play it till this. So it's gonna be a short trade. You can get it in here. Uh, oh, something wrong with charting more. I don't know. But anyways, so we can play it till here. It's gonna be swing trade. Uh, but I think it's gonna be a good play. Look at this. It's also forming cup and handle. Mm, it's forming already handle. So you can see that that starts going down here, and we have another handle here. So we have multiple signals here, right? We have a cup and handle forming, and this price is really far from 50 EMA, so it should potentially come back to here. So I would get into 48 put expiring next week or maybe next to next week. I have it going to the gap fill. Yeah, yeah, there's a gap on top. I saw that. So there's a gap on top. It's possible that it might fill the gap, but there's a resistance of 50 EMA on hourly here. So it might fill that gap, in which case, it will be a good time to get into the position, and then it will go down as per the analysis. 48 put, that's what I am into. But you can get into any put what you feel is good. I'm in 48 put, expiring November 5th, I think. Uh, for me, it was a little unfortunate because I tried to get into this put around here, and this first candle, I had to chase down this first candle to get into, and I think I got into it around here, and after that the price is consolidating, and I'm kind of nowhere. If I got into this put in the open at the open, that I would be in, then I would be in, I would be green at this point. So keep an eye on this one for tomorrow. That's a good play. Uh, let's see how it plays out. It's forming this beer flag as well. If you look closely, there's a beer flag forming. This is a pole of the flag, and we have a resistance on top with 50 EMA in 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm hopeful that it's going to be a good. So your puts can flop real fast. No, I think it should be fine. It's possible that got might get red in beginning because if it goes up to fill this gap, but I think it's going to come back down again to form this handle. That's my analysis at least. Just remember Mara moves with Bitcoin. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, you're right. If Bitcoin goes crazy, it will flop real fast. Well, that's the nature of trading. I mean, you cannot really be confident about anything. Nvidia holding 85 shares, thinking complete my 100 shares. Yeah, that's a good trade. Nvidia. I wanted to get into Nvidia shares again. I sold my shares when it gapped up on that day. I think I did call out that I sold my shares in Nvidia, and I've been trying to get back in, but getting greedy that it should get a little more down, maybe touch this. If you look at daily, maybe fill this gap and around this area. If it comes down, I don't believe it will come down, but I'm just, if it comes down, then I will get into shares and will buy to ride this third wave. But anyways, this is all good. Anything else, guys, before I finish this stream? 10 shares at 189. Nice. 189. So nice. You are bright green in that. I also had like 12 shares. I think I got it around here, but I sold it at here. And I'm waiting for it to dip so that I can get back in. So as I said, my thinking is always the same. Once the price starts moving away from 50 EMA, I start getting nervous about it. And did happen. I sold it around here, and right now it's trying to. You see this huge pain, right? It's possible that it might retrace, and then when it retraces and come to this level, this is a huge support here that I drew. Then I can get back into shares and get back into the options for this particular target. Okay, that's all for today. Run also holding strong 200 shares at 42. Run. Sunrun. Oh, okay. 42. Nice. 42. Yeah, you're also bright green in that. It's trying to become bullish. You see there's 50 EMA moving towards 200. So once it crosses this, it's gonna get into. It's already in uptrend, uh, but then it will be proper uptrend where 50 EMA is above 200 EMA. Awesome. You're not selling it ever. Yeah, you should not. Nvidia is, I believe, is one of those companies that can really make you rich if you keep on adding to it, holding on to it. Yeah, there's no competition. I mean, AMD is a competition, but kind of both of these companies have kind of monopoly in the market. And with all this, like more processing power needed by mining and games and machine learning, you need more GPUs. NVIDIA is doing a great job there. Okay, guys, good night. Thank you, and see you guys tomorrow.